W
H
A
T
S
I
N
S
I
D.
E.
What's inside?
This item is clay. It contains the molecule distereoammonium hectorite. It is a powdery volcanic clay.
This next item is a household cleaning product that is safe and environmentally friendly. It keeps the ingredient from separating. This molecule is known as propylene carbonate.
This third item can be found in acne medicine. The molecule is known as panthenol. This molecule can make hair grow and can truly help the process.
This fourth item can be found in eyeshadow. The molecule inside is called triethanolamine. This molecule lowers surface tension of our item.
This fifth item is found in paint. The molecule in this item is ammonium acrylates copolymer. This is listed as practically non-irritating when tested on certain parts of the human body and live rabbits. The pigment disperser gives a nice glossy coating to certain parts of the body.
This sixth item is not necessarily a household item, but can be found in diamond finish. The molecule in this item can be known as bismuth oxychloride. This is a pigment that has strange magnetic properties. Because of variations in the thickness of the oxide layer, the compound creates a shimmery, pearlescent look. A hint is, bat poop was a rumor because of bismuth oxychloride.
C
A
N
Y
O
U
G
U
E
S
S
W
H
A
T
I
T
I.
S.
Can you guess what it is?
You guessed right. It's mascara.